14 July 2020. Me, Alagos, news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here brings you the world latest updated news from all around the world. Indore hotspot where women doctors were attacked heals itself. The first attack on doctors helping COVID patients in India took place in Tat Party, Bakhaleen in Indore. Today the area is COVID-free and visiting doctors are showered with Petals TOI in association with Facebook. Today begins a series of stories of hope and courage that illustrates how India is fighting back against coronavirus. Barely 3 months ago, the locality of Tat Party Bakhal shot to infamy following the first attack in the country on doctors attempting to attend COVID patients. Even as other attacks followed elsewhere, Tat Party Bakhal was referred to with derision and indignation. A lot has changed since then. There has not been a single coronavirus case here in 2 months. What was once a hotspot in more ways than one is now a benchmark in COVID-19 recovery. It's the elders of the locality who took the lead and went around counseling residents not to heed rumors and to cooperate with the health teams. Screening teams were escorted by influential people of the locality who ensured that closed door open for them. Nowadays, screening teams were welcomed with showers of flower petals and drums beat. It is a far cry from the traumatic events of April 1, 2020. Indore had by then emerged as the COVID-19 hotspot in Madhya Pradesh and Tat Party Bakhal as one of the high-risk zone. Rumors were swirling around in the charged atmosphere when a health team arrived. That morning they came under attack. Stones were pelted from rooftops and men carrying sticks came charging at 2 women doctors. This was all caught on video. What was once a quiet locality of 200 homes was suddenly catapulted to front pages and TV screens across the country. The government cracked down hard and charged the suspects under the National Security Act. Then the healing started while residents took it upon themselves to spread awareness. The health workers who had been attacked put up a stunning example by returning to the same place to carry on with their work. Dr. Zakir Sayed and Dr. Trupti Kaddari said despite the attack, they were determined not to accept defeat. Be it if COVID-19 or rude behavior of people, we were prepared to overcome anything to save lives, they said. They were in for a surprise. Instead of brick baths, they were showered with apologies, praises and petals. Seniors of the locality were waiting to greet them and escorted them from house to house. There was a huge positive change in the behavior of the locals. We believed it ended up saving lives, the doctor said. The densely packed locality, 1,100 people live in a 100 square kilometer patch, reported 37 COVID cases and a death within the first few weeks. Score was sent to institutional quarantine or hospital, but for the last 2 months it had a clean state. One of the people on the doctor's screen was 75 years old Jegunisha B, whose grandson was among those arrested for the attack. After the incident, the entire locality apologized to survey team. We assured full support to the authorities, said Jeguinishi B, who is now back to running her small grocery shop. Life should not stop, she said. Thank you.